Hello everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Guess what? One of our friends asked me to cook pork lomi. So that's what I'm going to show you today. A super easy recipe of pork lomi. All right, the very first thing that we need to do is to boil our pork. So what I'm going to do over here, I am going to cut our pork, okay? So for now, we're just gonna cut our pork just this, about 3 slices of this. And then we are going to boil this one on our pan. On 8 cups of water, and I'm ready to put our meat in here and cover it up and cook it for 30 minutes. And this time we are going to get ready with our ingredients. Now I have a medium onion, and I'm gonna dice this one, okay? And next we are going to cut our Chinese Bilbao. This is one of our ingredients. We're just gonna cut our Chinese Bilbao into strips like that. Our mushroom. And also don't forget your 3 cloves of garlic. We need garlic in this dish. And of course, we're gonna cut our carrots. And I think our meat is ready. Let's go check it. Oh, looks, our meat is ready. So we are going to take our meat out here. Now what we're going to do after we take this one out, we are going to save the broth, because we're going to use that one for the soup. Okay. Now I am ready to cut our meat. We'll cut this one halfway, and then we're just going to cut it lengthwise like this. And also in these ingredients, we need 3 eggs. All right, I am ready to pour our extra virgin oil. And after this, I am going to put our garlic. All right. All right, you saute your onion and garlic, and after that, you pour your meat, Chinese sausage called Bilbao. you're gonna put your soy sauce this time. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And also don't forget your black pepper. You can add about a teaspoon of your black pepper. And this time I will put my mushroom. All right, let's go check our meat. Oh, that looks good. That looks very, very good. Just a little stir so that everything is mixed. And this time I am going to put our broth. There you go. And we'll just have to cover again and let it boil. We're gonna add our carrots. So our lomi won't be a lomi if we don't have the fresh noodles. So I got this from our local Asian. So this one comes in the 3 packages. So they're like very small. So I'm just gonna use all 3 of them. All right, let's do it. All right, I am so excited. I hope I know how to open this. Oh, Lord. All right, I guess that's how you did. So we'll just have to put... So you just have to mix it. Oh, look at this. Ooh, I'm so excited to eat this. Here you go. All right, so we'll just have to mix it. And this time I am going to add our 3 eggs. 3 eggs. So you just have to break your egg and then mix it with your lomi. Okay? All right, what I have here is our last ingredients. It is cornstarch. So I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a 3/4 cup of water. So I am going to pour this one over here to make our sauce a little bit thick, okay? All right, so I am ready to pour that one in here and just give a mixture. Just give a mixture and it will make the sauce thicken. Just cover it. All right, this is what you need, is a little bit thick sauce. All right, and I think our lomi is done. All right, I am ready to taste our lomi. Let's do it. Oh, that was so much fun. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Now, guys, if you have not tried this recipe, make sure you try it yourself. It's very simple and it was very easy, isn't it? Right. Now, if you have not subscribed this channel, please do so. Please do not forget also to like this video and subscribe and share, and make sure you hit that notification bell, okay? And as always, God bless you. Thank you. Bye.